What's up, guys? It's Liz and Russ, and we are at Fogle Field, home of the spring training where it all started. And this is where Babe Ruth hit his 574-foot home run, and the alligator zoo is over there. And we're gonna go hit a baseball over where he hit his home run. Let's go. This was where Babe Ruth hit his home run. Sadly, they took out home plate, but this is exactly where home plate was, where Babe Ruth was standing. We're gonna hit baseball. What the heck? Oh, shoot.
That made a loud noise, and it said, like and subscribe! What is it?
Like and subscribe.